How to order number plate background kits. Let's get started building a set of number plate backgrounds. From our home page, click on Bike Graphics and Decals. From there, click here on Number Plate Background Kits. Then select your brand. After selecting your brand, take a second to scroll up and down. You'll see many different base design options. All the base designs shown are fully customizable in your choice of colors. The colors shown are just examples. Once you select your base design, you'll be able to change all the colors in our interactive design studio. For this example, we're going to click on the T17 design. In this example, we're going to add a proof for $9.95. With a proof, our designers will email you a proof of your graphics kit before it goes to print. Changes can be made before it goes to print for an additional $9.95. Be sure to click the two disclaimers. These disclaimers state that the logo position, your name, and your race number position will not be exactly what you see on the bike image shown. The bike image shown is just an example. On the non-popular or older bikes, there may be many times that the bike image shown will not be your specific model bike. Next, be sure to select your correct make, model, and year. This is important to be sure the decals you order fit your bike. Custom decals are non-refundable. Now that you've selected the correct make, model, and year, let's start designing the number plate decal kit in your colors. Select your accent colors by using the color block selectors. You'll see the number plate design change colors as you go. Selecting the correct front plate shape. If you have an aftermarket front number plate, you can scroll through the selection to pick your correct front number plate shape. Use the Click Here option to view aftermarket front plate shapes. If you have the stock front number plate, leave your selection on Stock Shape. This selection will give you the correct decal shape that fits the OEM number plate for your selected year, make, and model. Let's add your background color, and on some designs, you'll need to select your background pinstripe color. Your background pinstripe color is an accent color that borders the background and the base design. Background pinstripe color is not an option featured on all designs. You can use the Zoom tool located below the bike image to get a closer look. Now, let's select your race number, number color, and number style. Be sure to add your own personal race number. Do not leave the default number in your design. Remember, custom decals are not refundable. We have 8 number style options. Use the Click Here selection to see our number styles. Click here and you'll see a pop-up that displays all 8 number styles. You can also click the number style drop-down menu. Select a number style option and watch it display on the bike image. Play around with the borders and pinstripes on the numbers. Borders touch the number, whereas pinstripes set off the number. Borders and pinstripes are very popular. Next, we have number plate name options and front plate logo options, as well as airbox logo options. Use the Click Here selection to see our number plate logo options. Click here and you'll see a pop-up that displays all the number plate logo options. If you choose a number plate logo option that has a front number plate banner, and you also choose your name to be on the front plate, your name will default below your race number on the front plate. Selecting your name on the front plate. Once you've typed in your name, a drop-down box appears asking you to select a font style. We have 10 font options. Use the Click Here option to see all 10 text styles. After typing in your front plate name and selecting a font, be sure to select a color for your name. Now you have the option to add your name to the side plates. If you select this option, we'll use the same text style you used on your front plate. If no front plate name was selected, we always default to our Impact font style. Airbox logo options can be in industry logos such as Twin Air, W, or Talon. We have over 5,000 industry logos on file. If you just want to thank your mom and dad, or if you have a local sponsor that doesn't have a logo, we'll use a default text. If you have a custom logo that you want added to your airbox, please email that logo to sales@decalmx.com. A logo setup fee will be quoted, and a sales rep will contact you after we receive your order to go over your setup fee options. You can also add mini plates and ultra mini plates to your order. Mini plates are 3.5 inches tall, and ultra mini plates are 1.5 inches tall. These decals are great for truck windows, cell phones, and toolboxes. Click the question mark to check the sizes. Be sure to check out these 3 options: plastics, seat covers, and accessories. The plastic and seat cover option are also interactive. You'll see the images change on the bike as you select the product. If you'd like to purchase number plate plastics, you can do so here. You can also select Mount. This option will tell us to mount your decals to your new number plate plastics. Once you're done with your layout, scroll back to the top. You'll see a breakdown listed of all your items selected. Our last safety tip before you click Add to Cart: be sure you've selected the correct make, model, and year. Also, be sure you've selected the correct race number. And if you wanted your name on the front plate, be sure you've entered your name in correctly as well. Once you've double-checked your order, click Add to Cart. After you've added your items to the cart, please double-check all the details, including your correct year, make, and model, your correct race number, and your front plate name if you did indeed add one. Thank you for choosing DeCal Works.